This summer will feature huge, thin so pay attention if you prefer folding phones. As Samsung prepares to unveil its next generation of foldable smartphones in July 2025, interest in the Galaxy Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 is already building. The rumor mill is buzzing as Samsung seems to be reaching for the stars after last year's very minor revisions. One of the main subjects of dispute is thickness, or the lack thereof. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might become the world's thinnest foldable smartphone in the book design. That is exactly what you have heard. According to multiple leaks, the Z Fold 7's folded thickness might be as low as 8.2 mm. To put that into perspective, it would be 0.7 mm thinner than the Oppo Find N5, which is now the thinnest foldable smartphone. That is a huge 30% reduction over last year's Galaxy's Fold 6, which has a folded thickness of 12.1 mm. It's more than just a minor trim, it's a total overhaul. Consider carrying a pocket-sized foldable phone that does not feel like a brick. This might be the game changer that fans have been searching for in terms of a more comfortable and stylish folding. However, not everyone is convinced that maintaining authenticity is necessary. Previous leaks suggested that the Z Fold 7 will be about 9.5 mm thick, which sounded more reasonable. Others are perplexed as to how Samsung managed to make it so thin without compromising the core elements that made the Fold series so exceptional. It's nearly a wonder. According to the Greek tech website TechManiacs, the Z Fold 7 is more than simply stylish and thin. It will also have a substantial amount of firepower. According to their insider information, here's what we may expect: a 200-megapixel primary camera, the same high-end shooter seen on the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset under the hood, a 6.5-inch cover display for simple one-handed use, and a massive 8-inch foldable inner display for media and multitasking. When this Fold 7 is unfolded, it will be slimmer on each side, perhaps by 4 mm, than both the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Fold Special Edition. It's more than simply reducing weight, you're getting a comprehensive fitness overhaul. For those following track, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will not be Samsung's next major flagship gadget to enter shops. That honor goes to the Galaxy S25 Edge, which is set to be released on May 13th. In July, the foldables will resume full operation. Regardless, 2025 promises to be an exciting year for Samsung fans. There are numerous things to look forward to between an extremely thin foldable and the forthcoming flagship phones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.